Bunq Bank Review. Is it worth it as an online digital bank? So what is Bunq? Bunq is a fully licensed European bank, which means deposits are insured up to 100,000 euros under the Dutch Deposit Guarantee Scheme. It's built for flexibility. Open an account in minutes, manage up to 25 sub-accounts with unique IBANs, access multiple currency support and virtual cards. For travelers or expats, Bunq shines. No foreign exchange fees, real-time international spending capabilities, and support for up to 22 currencies and 5 local IBANs in one app. Now let's look at the features. Here's easy savings and green incentives. Interest rates are competitive, around 3.36%, paid weekly, and the Easy Green plan plants a tree for every 100 euros spent. Eco-conscious banking. Choose how deposit funds are invested and contribute to sustainability while you save. It is developer-friendly. Bunq offers a powerful API for integrations, great for automation and fintech-savvy users. However, not all reviews are glowing. Here's the flip side. Customer support and reliability issues. Multiple users report frozen accounts, missing funds, or blocked funds that were slow or refused to be solved. Security regulatory setbacks. In August of 2025, Bunq was fined 2.6 million euros by the Dutch central bank for shortcomings in anti-money laundering controls. It has subscription-based pricing. Unlike many traditional banks, Bunq charges monthly fees for full functionality, and tiered structure can be confusing. And finally, it has limited traditional services, no overdraft facility, no printed statements, or branch support. Everything is app-based. On Trustpilot, reviewers highlight its intuitive interface, fast sign-up, and convenience, but also warn about account freezing and unresponsive support. And according to community forums, hearing horror stories like unsupported court-ordered fund access raises concerns. So is Bunq worth it? Yes, if you're digitally savvy, live in the EU, and want smart sub-account tools, multi-currency support, and eco-benefits. Be cautious though if you need rock-solid customer service, overdrafts, or face unexpected regulatory hiccups. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.